As I'm separating my hair into four, let me give you a few tips about henna. First of all, you need to deep condition. Henna is a protein treatment, so you do need to deep condition your hair after you rinse it out because your hair can get really dry. I will tell you what happened to me. And I'll also tell you what happened to Petra. Petra used henna a few years ago at my recommendation because my hair was growing like crazy using henna. But what she did is her hair was much shorter and a different texture, and she put the henna in and left it all day long, and washed it out like the next day, and her hair fell out. So don't do that. Um, and what happened to me is that when we did my last sew-in, first of all, can I just complain about how the beautician, the what did we call people, stylist, how she did my frontal? The way she did it, they put, I think I told you guys, they put a stocking cap and then they glued it down. Well, her gluing it down the way she did totally, as they say, snatched my edges. Look at my edges, they are gone. So now I've got to grow them back. And then when Petra did the sewing, we were doing a leave out, so I wanted to do a little henna first. And unfortunately, the mistake that I made is that I washed it out and did not deep condition after. I just let Petra braid the hair up and do the sewing. So a lot of my hair also fell out. Great, right? Anyway, so I want you to make sure that if you are going to do henna, if you're going to try this, then make sure that you wash it out with the conditioner after all this is over. Don't leave it in too long. I do anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. It depends on the length of your hair and what it is you're trying to do. You can leave a henna in for just an hour and that'll be fine. You're just doing a protein treatment. You don't have to leave it in all day. The longer you leave it in doesn't mean it'll do better or something like that. Then I also, I wash it out with the conditioner, deep condition after, sit under a dryer or do a heat cap, whatever it is you have, and then do your hair from there, right? Uh, the other thing I do is that during the week, because some of the henna sometimes stays in your hair, so within that week, I don't wait a whole week to wash my hair. I will wash my hair again this week. I will not use the black soap shampoo. I'll use a conditioning type shampoo and I'll condition again. I may not deep condition, but I will condition my hair again. So please, please don't just watch this video and say, okay, I'm gonna go do some henna on my hair, and then come back to me and say, Denise, my hair fell out, or my hair is breaking because I followed your stupid advice and did henna. Okay, make sure you listen to all the parts that I just said. Okay, you know what? I'm not really that, I'm not really that anal about doing I'm not gonna separate it because I don't usually do it. I was just gonna do it for the video because you know that's what everyone does. They separate their hair into 4 pieces, but I'm just gonna use my fingers like I usually do. Get this over with because it is hot in here. So I have covered everything with towels because, as I said, henna will stain your toilet cover, it'll stain your rugs, it'll stain your countertops, your sink, everything. Wherever it touches, it will turn red. So I'm gonna put this bowl in the middle of the sink here in a towel, and then I'll just start, see the consistency, can you see it? The consistency of it. And I'll just start putting it in my hair. Start in the center. You can start anywhere you want. I'm just starting there because it's there. The place I really need to get done that always seems to not get done quite the way I want is the edges. That's where my gray is. My gray is right here on the edge. So I'll do that first. Get that in there. And then I will grab grab some of the hair. And you can part, if you're into parting your hair and doing things piece, by all means, do that. I am just not very thorough about things. I am a lazy hair person. So I'm using my fingers to kind of try to work the henna into the places that I didn't part to get to. I don't usually worry about it getting all the way to my ends. I'm just really doing up here, rubbing that in, and then I'll just twist it and put it into a little bun. And as you can see, you know, it's already running. I told you it runs. Yeah. So just be aware that it will do that. My hair is so thin, I'm so sad, because I really, I want to curse, but I won't. I'll say screwed it up. But I grew it once before, and I shall grow it again. So I won't be too sad about the whole thing, but sometimes when I try to style it, it does make me sad. Because it was my fault. I messed up. I very rarely, if ever, use all of the henna that I mix. I probably should mix less, but we're going to use so little of this, it's not even funny. Probably made it a little bit too watery. I should have put a little less water into the mix. So I'm trying to think of what else I need to tell you. That black soap shampoo that I used was fabulous. And the way that I could tell how good it was is that my hair was actually squeaky clean. And I had it very highly conditioned and oiled. But that black soap shampoo, just one wash, had my hair squeaky. So that's a good shampoo. It's Alodia Hair Care. If I remember when I post this video, I will put a link to their website. It's got plantain and oh God, what else? It's way over there, so I can't go get it and tell you. It's got aloe vera, which when I was growing my hair and following Natural 85, she did a lot of aloe vera, and I did too. I would spray my hair with aloe vera before I would braid it up and stuff. I kept it in a little bottle. Okay, and just like that, we're done. And there is probably henna all over my bathroom. So now I'm gonna take these gloves off and put this cap on. And I'm just gonna go and that's it. I'm probably gonna put, I may not put anything because I'm really trying. Okay, let me clarify. Usually I will put like tissues and a headband on, you know, but I want to get this gray that's at my edges. So I'm just going to leave it and let it do what it do and just keep wiping myself because I've got stuff all over. Anyway, that's it. I will come back to show you guys. I think I'll come back and show you guys how I wash it out and all that. If I don't, the way that I wash it out is I just do it in my kitchen sink. I use conditioner. I wash it like 3 or 4 times with a conditioner, and then I will deep condition, sit under a heating cap or a dryer, and then just do my hair, you know, with whatever oils and creams and things, and I'll probably just braid it up. All right. So I have washed out the henna, and you can see the red where my gray used to be. You probably can see it in other places too. And then I used a deep conditioning mask from Alodia hair care, and I sat under a heat cap for a little while, and then I washed that out, and all I used was the Alodia hair cream, and my hair is nice and soft and all that good stuff, and that's it. And so later this week I'll probably wash my hair again. I won't use the black soap shampoo. I'll just use some kind of conditioning shampoo, or maybe even just a conditioner. I may just do a co-wash, and that'll be it, and I'll do everything all over again. I won't do the deep conditioner, but I'll braid it back up, and that is how you do henna. Of course, you can choose to do a wash and go or straighten your hair or whatever else you want to do. It's just a nice conditioning treatment for your hair, and it covers up gray without chemical dyes. I'm all about the non-chemical life because I lived that life for a good 45 years or so, and I'm here to tell you that the non-chemical life is actually better. All right, you guys, subscribe and like and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.